CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Monday, March 23, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Suncor Energy Incorporated and Petro-Canada announced that they have agreed to merge the two companies in a $15.5 billion stock deal. The combined entity will operate under the Suncor name. The combined portfolio boasts the largest oil sands resource position. Petro-Canada common shareholders will effectively receive 1.28 common shares of the merged company for each common share of Petro-Canada, and each Suncor common shareholder will receive 1 common share of the merged company. The exchange ratio represents an approximate 25% premium for the Petro-Canada shares to the 30-day weighted average trading prices of such shares. On completion of the proposed transaction, Suncor existing shareholders will own approximately 60% and Petro-Canada shareholders will own approximately 40% of the merged company. Suncor operates a refining and marketing business in Ontario with retail distribution under the Sunoco brand. Petro-Canada is one of Canada's largest oil and gas companies. Walgreen reported net earnings for the quarter ended February 28 decreased 6.7% to $640 million or 65 cents per share diluted from $686 million or 69 cents per share diluted in the same quarter a year ago. Analyst average estimates were 66 cents per share. Selling, general, and administrative expense dollars in the second quarter increased 8.1% over the year-ago period, which includes 2.4 percentage points for rewiring for growth cost. Walgreen Company operates a chain of drugstores in the United States. Due to the increasingly more challenging global economic environment, Xerox Corporation lowered its first quarter 2009 earnings expectations to a range of 3 cents to 5 cents per share from a range of 16 cents to 20 cents per share. The reduction includes a 6-cent impact from Xerox share of Fuji Xerox restructuring and industry-wide slowdown in technology spending. Xerox total revenue in January and February declined 18%, including a 5-point currency impact, largely due to lower sales of equipment and printer-based supplies. Xerox Corporation engages in the development, manufacture, marketing, servicing, and financing of document equipment, software, solutions, and services worldwide. Stein Mart Incorporated announced excluding some items, the company had an adjusted net loss of 57 cents per diluted share for the fourth quarter of 2008 compared to an adjusted net loss of 23 cents per diluted share for the fourth quarter of 2007. Analyst average estimates were a loss of 42 cents per share. David Stovall Jr., President and Chief Executive Officer of Stein Mart Incorporated, said, "The consequences of the economic downturn on our target customer are obvious. She remains extremely cautious regarding discretionary purchases and has changed her shopping habits." Stein Mart Incorporated suspended dividend payments and stock repurchases. Stein Mart Incorporated operates retail stores that provide fashion merchandise for men and women in the United States. And now, the dividend report. Books A Million Incorporated announced net income for the fourth quarter decreased to $11.4 million or 74 cents per diluted share. That is compared with net income of $11.9 million or 76 cents per diluted share in the year earlier period. The company also announced that its board of directors has approved a quarterly cash dividend of 5 cents per share. The quarterly dividend will be paid on April 16 to stockholders of record at the close of business on April 2, 2009. Books A Million is one of the nation's leading book retailers. FNB United Corporation announced that its board of directors has declared a quarterly cash dividend of 2.5 cents per share. That is a reduction from 10 cents per share in the previous quarter. The dividend will be paid on April 24th to shareholders of record on March 26, 2009. FNB United Corporation operates as the holding company for Community One Bank. PMC Commercial Trust announced that its Board of Trust Managers has declared a first quarter 2009 quarterly cash dividend of 22.5 cents per common share payable on April 13 to shareholders of record on March 31, 2009. The dividend is the 61st consecutive quarterly dividend paid by the company. PMC Commercial Trust primarily originates loans to small businesses, primarily secured by real estate. Fifth Third Bancorp declared a first quarter 2009 dividend on its common shares of 1 penny. The cash dividend is payable on April 23rd to shareholders of record as of March 31st, 2009. Fifth Third Bancorp is a diversified financial services company. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.